Why are pandas nature's biggest design fail? First, they are terrible at mating. A female only ovulates 2 days a year. Miss that, and it's over. The males are so clueless that zookeepers literally have to show them instructional videos just to teach them what to do. Second, their bodies don't make sense. They have the digestive system of a predator but are too lazy to hunt. So, they have to eat 40 pounds of bamboo every single day just to barely stay alive. Finally, the parenting is brutal. Mothers often abandon one twin because they can't feed both. Or worse, because they are so clumsy they sometimes roll over and accidentally crush their own babies. Without humans, they'd be history.